Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to generate and manage check numbers for bank payments in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Accounts module, expand the Account Vouchers section, and open Enter Check Numbers, Bank Payments. Under the Enter Numbers section, select the bank account for which you want to generate check numbers. Enter the check prefix, and then specify the check number range. Save the data. Check numbers have been successfully generated for the selected bank account. Let's review how this is reflected in the Bank Payments module. Before proceeding with the bank payment voucher entry, first open the Cash Bank Voucher configuration. Within Bank Payment configuration, enable the Pre-select Check Receipt Number option and save the changes. Now, return to the Bank Payment window. Let's proceed with the bank payment voucher transaction. Select the relevant bank account against which the check numbers have been created and continue with the transaction. Press the spacebar in the check number column. The check receipt selection window will open, displaying the list of all generated check numbers. You can select the required check number from this list and proceed with the transaction. As you can see, the selected check number is now reflected in the check number column. This is how check numbers can be generated and used while processing bank payment transactions. Now, let's return to the Enter Check Numbers Bank Payments module and learn how to replace check numbers. To do this, go to the Replace Numbers section. Select the relevant bank account, enter the check prefix, and define the existing check number range that you want to replace. Enter the new check range that you want to use for replacement. After that, click on Replace to finalize the process. Now, let's observe its impact in the Bank Payments module. Press the spacebar in the check number column. As shown, the previous check numbers have been successfully replaced with the newly entered check number range. Under the Display Numbers section, you can view the check series range for the selected bank account along with its relevant details. In the Cancelled Numbers section, you can also cancel check numbers. Let's proceed to cancel a check number. Select the relevant bank account for which you wish to cancel the check number. Enter the check prefix, then specify the check number to be cancelled. Finally, click on the Cancel Uncancel Check button to complete the process. The check number has been cancelled. Let's verify the cancelled check number in the Bank Payment module. As observed, check number 123070 is no longer displayed in the list, confirming that the cancellation has been successfully processed. By following the same steps used for check cancellation, you can also uncancel a check number. Let us uncancel the same check number that was just cancelled. To proceed, enter the required details and then click on the Cancel Uncancel Check button. The system will display a confirmation message indicating that the check has already been cancelled. Click Yes to proceed with uncancellation. The check number has been uncancelled. Let's verify the same in the Bank Payment module. As shown, check number 123070 is now visible in the list again, confirming that the cancellation has been successfully reversed and the check is now active for use.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.